Open Air Interface is the fruits of around 25 years of effort from Eurocom, in particular in the Communication Systems Department, where the original intent was to develop tools for researchers to be able to innovate in the areas of radio networks and also core networking protocols. Open Air Interface is part of the platforms with the Carnot label in France, and we've benefited significantly from this collaboration. Today, Open Air Interface is also a software development community, which goes under the name the Open Air Interface Software Alliance, which puts together other institutes with major industry. Companies like Qualcomm, like Orange, like Xilinx, like Facebook.
Open Air Interface is an open source software that implements all the key components of both 4G and 5G communication systems. It implements all the different layers of a mobile communication system, including the physical layer. This is one of the key innovations of Open Air Interface, but at the same time is one of the key challenges. Another technological challenge is new frequencies called millimeter wave spectrum. This new spectrum is now being exploited by 5G mobile communication systems. At these frequencies, you have a very high propagation loss. To overcome this propagation loss, 5G employs a technique called beamforming to direct the signal in a specific direction. Along with this beamforming, you need to have sophisticated algorithms to manage the beams. Open Air Interface implements all of these algorithms, and we're currently testing this technology in our lab.
In addition to Open Air Interface, we needed an environment to be able to test the software that's developed by the community. We put together Open Air 5G Lab, which is a very modern computing environment with high performance computing and radio infrastructure, which allows us to test future vertical applications of 5G and beyond technologies.
Thanks to the Open Air Interface 5G platform, we will host many trials for 5G drones. The 5G drone project is to trial a use case coming from unmanned aerial vehicles using flying drones on top of 5G infrastructure. The project is composed of industrial partners like network operator, Orange, Cosmote in Greece, and also big industrial names like Nokia, Airbus and Thales. The main challenge that the project should solve is the safety of flying drones. The demo we are seeing is representing the usage of the drone in the context of the 5G drone project, where the drone will automatically fly connected to the 5G facility of Eurocom. The drone will automatically send its telemetry and also radio information, which will be displayed in an application host at the edge. So we show that we are able to reduce the latency and display in real time the position of the drone. We are now in the step of testing everything, and partner will come here to Eurocom, and we take the conclusion if 5G is ready for this new service promised by UAV and flying drones.
From the perspective of the outside world, in particular industry, what we put into the community is quite unique. We develop software that can be used in their labs to accelerate their own internal development. There are no collaborative implementations of 3GPP radio systems in open source or in closed source that are as flexible as Open Air Interface. It allows companies that are monetizing their patents to collaborate freely with this community without risking any of their assets.
Today, we're working very hard on the next phase of 5G networks, which is called the standalone access. This will allow us to unlock the full potential of 5G in different use cases, like Industry 4.0, or more exotic ones, like non-terrestrial access networks.
The evolution of Open Air Interface software will clearly follow the evolution of 3GPP, from 5G to 6G. The Open Air Interface community is also working with other software communities and standardization communities such as the O-RAN Alliance, the Small Cell Forum, and also the Open Core Network group in the Telecom Infra project that's run by Facebook. These complement the 3GPP networking protocols and allow the evolution of the end-to-end systems to follow the requirements of future society.